Hop into the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.